Nigerians don't like it when you tell the truth. And I was only advising them, don't let me start again tonight because plenty. Instead of holding the people who made mistakes, it's the person who is talking they are chasing. Well, I'm tired though. I'm tired. I'm 63 plus. I am tired. That's the truth. I'm just tired. It's just that, I don't like anything that has element of force. Everything in life cannot be by force. So when forceful people think they can forcefully hijack a country, it worries me. We all fought against the military at that time. So how do we justify it? So it means we wasted all our time and resources at that time. So I don't want to talk. I'm tired. People calling. It's your friend, it's your this. I say, yes, it's my friend. But it's your, so should I be speaking only to my enemies? So I should not advise my friend. I can see that people are misleading. Even in government now, people are misleading. You know, when you are in power, everybody turns you into a demigod, you know. So, and those of us who refuse to do so, then we become the enemy instantly. So, look, I'm tired. That's the truth. Even my family, every day, my wife will call me, what's your business and all these things? Leave Nigerians. If that's what they want, leave there. I say, but we can't. It's just me. It's not my fault. You know, that is the way God will create you, you know, and you just can't stomach some things. So how come Obasanjo was there? We criticized him. Yaradua was there. We criticized him. We demonstrated on the street of Abuja. Same thing we did, you know, with Jonathan, with Buhari. Even Buhari that people thought was a ruthless general. We were able to talk to him. But these ones are saying we can't talk. Because why? So let's leave it. I beg. Let's just leave it. I just wanted to interact briefly. You know, it's getting very late, but I'm hungry because I've been flying all day and I've missed local food. I haven't had local food in over 1 week. It's not in my character not to eat Nigerian food, all those Weibo food, and I was just tired of it. So I just want to have something small, very small. And then I'll read a few things online because I can't go straight to bed. Usually I don't sleep before midnight or even 1 a.m. So I'll just hang around my living room and relax. My weekend, I can't wait for weekend to come. Fademoba, government care. You see, you won't believe when I tell you that my focus in life is not government. Nobody will believe it. If government was my focus, I would have been there long ago. Nobody would have stopped me. Okay? Nobody would have stopped me. There is nobody who will not be happy to have a global citizen among them. That's why some people are very angry. I'm not being immodest. People are angry because they know there is no way I would have been around and all the errors, all the mistakes they made. And instead of apologizing that we made mistakes, they are still fighting people who talk. Look, I beg, don't drag me into this thing tonight. Because if I start now, I won't stop. You know, those who hear Yoruba will understand it. People know the truth. And they are saying that, no, you can't speak it. You must join us in speaking what is not true, in defending what is not true. I can't. It's simple. Nobody is perfect in this life. But in life, you have to be sober once in a while. You can't do gra against everybody. Anybody who talks is your enemy. I'm nobody's enemy. Anybody who knows me knows I'm a very good Christian. And I don't judge people. Anybody can make a mistake in life. But own up to your mistake. There is nothing wrong with it. So that's the way I see it. If we can all do that, you will see that our country, the tension in our country right now is suffocating. So, but people don't want anybody to talk. And that's what baffles me, that we spoke against, Mr. Okujeto, how are you? I'll call you after. You know, I'm missing your company now because I'm going to eat alone. So, you know, it baffles me how somebody can say, you are angry that I refuse to come and chop. How can you be angry that I refuse to come and chop in government? How? Is that not minus one person competing with you? I mean, I don't care. My own is to do my work. I just landed a few minutes ago. I'm already working. All I did was to take a shower, put on my agbada, and I'm working. There is nobody, no young man, whether 18, 20, 30, 40, who can say he or she is working more than me. I work around the clock, on the flight, throughout, except when maybe the internet went off or whatever. You know, I'm telling you, no, come this way, okay? So there is look, my food is almost ready, so I will have to go very soon. You know, so life. We fought, it doesn't matter. Even you and your wife, when you were married, you said till death do us part. Don't husband and no, leave it. Don't husband and wife fight. Don't they have a divorce? So what's the big deal? I don't know what happened. I don't know when Nigeria became a place of by force. If I see what I don't like, and I will say this before I go, I've never been in the same political party with Asiwaju. He knows I'm not in this party. I'm in PDP. So do you expect me to be in PDP and be defending APC? I mean, what kind of common sense is that? I'm in PDP. I have no apologies to offer about that. And I said it since last year. I said, I'm sorry. I saw the current first lady, who is like a sister to me. She hugs me inside the church. Are you not going to support my husband? I said, no, I'm not a pretender. I'm not one of those people, because what do I really want that will make me pretend? That is not. In fact, you should encourage me to stand firm and support my principle. If you don't have principle and you want me to join you, you have a wrong person. Thank you, Ernest. So, anyway, I have to go. There is nothing to fight about. No fight. No, nothing. I am standing where I am. That's who I am. I can't. Some people can wake up in APC and go to sleep in PDP. They can do it. I don't have anything against them. It's their choice. But that's not the way my mother brought me up. I'm sorry. That's not. So people can say I'm stupid, I'm this, I'm that. I see people now, and this generation, everything I hear is appointment. When did appointment become the only way of making it in life? What some of us have accomplished in our private capacity, a lot of ministers, a lot of governors have not done it. I'm not boasting, it's the truth. So what am I looking for? And leaders, they don't fight. Let me warn those who are fighting and abusing people who can make your life better. You are just fighting yourselves. Leaders meet all the time. They meet. I was just seeing a video now of Governor Adeleke and Senator Yola Mishure. They met some, I think, at the airport in Ibadan. They hugged, they talked. And when election comes, everybody will fight. It's like football. When the game is over, they embrace. If they want to. Anybody doesn't want to embrace is also welcome. You go to the changing room and go to your hotel from there. It's not easy. There is nothing to fight about.